students. And in this video, I want to go through what your directions are for class today on Monday since I'm not there. I was not planning to be out. Unfortunately, my son Owen got sick again. We're just having a bad string of luck here just to start the school year. So let's go through what we're going to do. Before I do that, let's just go through a couple of reminders when I'm not here. We've talked about this a little bit, right? The expectations do not change when I'm not there. The substitute teacher might not know exactly how our class runs, and that's okay. I want you to be flexible and just listen to the adults in the room and just follow their directions. Follow their directions, even if they're a little bit different from the way we do it when I'm there. Remember that the work that we're doing while I'm not here, although I might not have planned to do it on Monday here, all is work that we were planning to get done at some point this week. And so it's not made up busy work. This is stuff that you need to do, and most of it is going to be for a grade. And I'll explain that as we go through which ones are. So follow expectations, do the right thing, listen to your adults, and get your work done. And it'll be smooth sailing from there. And hopefully I'm back then on Tuesday to get us going. All right. So after you finish watching this short video with all the directions, let me go through what it is that you're going to do, give you some pointers, and let you know about how I'm grading things. So after this, there is a very short 5-minute Edpuzzle. For my class, you'll see that there's a link to Edpuzzle on Google Classroom for today's work. When you click on that link, it does not take you to the video, though. This is how I always do it. When you click on that link to Edpuzzle, it just takes you to Edpuzzle. If you haven't used Edpuzzle in a while, remember that you have to log into Edpuzzle with your Google account, with your school Google account. Once you've logged in with your school Google account, you will see on the one side, I think it's the left side, your classes. And you should see this year's science class. Click on it. And when you click on it, you'll see that there is an assignment. And I think I just called it like honor science or 6H or something like class video 9/11 2023. All right. It's a short video. Okay. It is for a grade, but it should be pretty easy because it's just kind of reviewing some of the things we've talked about already over the last week or so in class. After the Edpuzzle, there is a link to a document on Google Classroom that is called the Interest Inventory. Interest inventory is a doc. I ask you questions about yourself, so there are no wrong answers, but you do need to answer the questions. This is a chance for me to get to know you a little bit better because, unfortunately, with me missing another day, I kind of feel a little disconnected from you still at the beginning of this school year just because we haven't been able to really get into a rhythm of just being there with each other. So I'm hoping this is going to help a little bit. So please fill out that document, that interest inventory, and answer all the questions. I'm the only one that's going to see it. Actually, I'll probably show it to Miss Regal too. But between the two of us, that's it. It's not going to be shared with any of your classmates. If you do not finish it before class ends, it is homework, and it is due on Tuesday. I'll repeat that. If you do not finish the interest inventory in class today, you need to finish it for homework, and it is due in class on Tuesday. Once you're done with the interest inventory, the last thing, there's a link on Google Classroom to a Kahoot. This Kahoot is not for a grade. The Kahoot is not for a grade. It is going to go over just a couple of the things that we're going to start with in our unit here on Layers of the Earth. And it's another way for you to preview some of the material and some of the content that you're going to have to know in this unit, Layers of the Earth. So it is not for a grade. It's not a lot of questions. I think it's maybe 10. So just play it, do your best, see how you do on it, and we'll go from there. We'll probably play it again at some point during the unit too, so you can kind of compare to see how well you've done. All right. At any point, if you finish your work today and there's extra time, you always have the option to silent read. That's one of the things that I always encourage is for you just to take out a book to silent read. If you want to color or decorate your Champs helmet, you can do that as well. Up to you. All right. Hopefully you had your headphones while you were listening to this. If not, they need to be coming with you to class because you never know when you need them. I will hopefully be back tomorrow. Have a good day, behave, follow directions, and get your work done.